Hi, the perpetuities example 2. So this is a little more complicated example. So following two payments have the same present value. Calculate the quarterly effective rate J, quarterly effective interest rate J. So the two cash flows. So first one is the payments of $10 each at the end of each quarter for 3 years. So $10 for 3 years. So the each quarter for 3 years. So 12 payments. $10. And the cash flow too, the payments of $5 at the end of each quarter forever. So n is equal to infinity. And what is the quarterly effective rate? So basically the 1 and 2 can be calculated by the annuity formula and the perpetuity formulas given the interest rate. So both are a function of the quarterly effective interest rate J. So if you equate the present value for 1 and 2, then we can solve for J. And the strategy is to make payment frequency is equal to time unit. So the payment frequency is the quarterly, so just the time unit equals to a quarter. A quarter year. So that is the best thing to do. Okay, so at first, the cash flow 1, what is the present value? So this is the annuity for $10 for 12 times. So this is 10 times a right angle 12 at interest rate J. So this is equal to the 10 times 1 minus the v to the power 12 over J. So here v is equal to 1 over 1 plus J. And the second payment, what is the present value? Maybe I would write the PV1 and the PV2. So second payment, the PV is basically the perpetuity. So $5 at the end of each year. So end of each year, so perpetuity due. Perpetuity immediate, sorry. Perpetuity immediate. So this is equal to 5 times a right angle infinity at J. So this is 5 times 1 over J. So both present values are equal. So this implies 10 times 1 minus v 12 over J is equal to 5 times 1 over J. And you can cancel J here. Then you can get, okay, so the left-hand side we have 10. So right-hand side 5. So we move 5 to the left-hand side and 10 times v to the 12th power to the right-hand side and the change right and left, then v12 is equal to 1/2. So you can solve this for v by taking the 12th power. Then v is equal to 0.9438. And v is equal to 1 over 1 plus j. So that means j is equal to what? The 1 plus j times v is equal to 1. So that is the jv is equal to 1 minus v. So j is equal to 1 minus v over v. So you can solve this as 1 minus 0.9438 over 0.9438. So this is equal to 0.0595 by a calculator. So quarterly interest rate, quarterly effective interest rate is 5.95%. So in this way, we can use the annuity formula and the perpetuity formula to solve this question.